Hello YouTube fans or Facebook fans, this is Dsm here. About to talk to you about my bird this video. So my bird is kinda aggressive and angry a lot. I've been having this bird for 2003 or 2004. Well, the bird's problem is that it yells so much, every day, and it's just a species. Like, you cannot stop it, or you cannot scream at it. I can scream at it a lot, but it don't work. It makes more noises, so it's how it is. The only way you can get it calm down is just turn off the light or leave the place that it is at. That's the only way to calm it down. Every time you try to feed this bird always tries to bite you. But sometimes he don't bite you. So you'll be safe about that. The bird always strikes when you bother with it, play with it. He go around in circles with his cage until he will have an opportunity to bite you. So it's how it is. This is Dsm, and I post this message on YouTube and on Facebook. Enjoy your day.